Guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add an opening balances or record opening balances on Xero accounting software. To add an opening balances, we need to go to accounting section and there is advanced. So if you have a trial balance, or maybe you have used spreadsheets and you have balances in your payables, receivables, as well as your retained earnings, so profit for particular period, we can add those through conversion balances section. Using your trial balance, or if you have just maybe only balance on cash account or business account like in my case, we will need to create like a journal entry with debits and credits. To add more lines, click on add a new line here. So for example, I have opening balance in my cash account, so cash account there, and it is positive number, so I have £90 on my hands, and it is part of director's loan account. Make sure that you have only one code for one line, so one line, one entry. If I will try to add for director loan account again £90, so there is a line on there, it will show me an error message saying that there can be only one balance for the same account. So I will delete this one and I will total up to 1590 here. Okay. If you have opening balance on receivables, select from your asset section receivables and add balance there. So that means that your customers still haven't paid you. And if you have opening balance on payables, so for example there is invoices that still need to be paid, select accounts payable there and add amount there. And if you're looking at your trial balance, you have profit of £300, then add under equity retained earnings of 300 here. Okay, so use your trial balance or any other summary to make sure that your numbers are balancing in both sides and there is no adjustment to be posted on system. So there is a guide on right hand side where you can read details on steps, what Xero's provide, how to actually add outstanding supplier invoices, outstanding customer invoices, bank balances and any other balances. Once you have added all this information, click save. So this is the way how you can add an opening balances on Xero accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.